On the EPA 608 exam, you will absolutely be tested on who is required to hold a Section 608 certification. The rule, which comes from Section 608 of the Federal Clean Air Act, states that any person who maintains, services, repairs, or disposes of an appliance containing regulated refrigerants must be certified. This applies to common refrigerants like CFCs, HCFCs, and HFCs. The exam will present scenarios to test your understanding of this scope. For example, a question might ask if a plumber who installs a water line to a chiller needs certification. The answer is no, because they are not opening the refrigerant circuit. However, if an apartment maintenance worker attaches gauges to a window air conditioner to check pressures, they are now servicing the unit and must be certified. The key trigger is any action that could reasonably be expected to violate the integrity of the refrigerant circuit. A major exam trap is the apprentice rule. An uncertified individual can perform work on refrigerant systems, but only if they are directly supervised by a certified technician who is physically on-site and available. A question might describe a scenario where the certified tech is supervising from the office via phone call. This is a violation and not permitted. Another common confusion point is the sale of refrigerants. While you must be certified to purchase most refrigerants, the employee at the supply house who sells it to you does not need to be certified themselves. Their legal obligation is to verify that you, the buyer, are certified. The exam will test this distinction. Remember this simple phrase: if you MSRD, you need the card. That stands for maintain, service, repair, or dispose. If your actions involve the potential release of refrigerant, certification is mandatory. The consequences for non-compliance are severe, with potential fines of over $37,000 per day per violation, so the EPA takes this very seriously. The exam will also expect you to know the 4 certification types. Type 1 is for small appliances containing 5 pounds or less of refrigerant, like residential refrigerators and window units. Type 2 covers high-pressure appliances, which includes most residential and commercial split systems. Type 3 is for low-pressure appliances, such as large centrifugal chillers. And finally, universal certification covers all 3 types. Every technician must pass the core section of the exam before they can earn any of the type-specific certifications. For example, a test question might state, "The technician exclusively services commercial chillers. What certification is required?" The correct answer would be Type 3. Knowing these distinctions is critical for passing. For free practice questions, AI-powered explanations, and more exam prep tools, visit openexamprep.com. That's openexamprep, all one word, .com.